by the title below. You guys already know that I'm back with another Temu try-on haul. Not just any try-on haul, a plus size try-on haul / review. Guys, when I tell you this package was sent to me so long ago, but because of the wedding and everything, me just get a chance to do it. So I am super excited to be doing it now, and I don't remember anything I chose, so this is gonna be fun. Anyways, if you don't know what Temu is an online marketplace where you can go to shop every single thing, whatever your baby, your pet, the bathroom, the bedroom, the living room, the kitchen, the car, you name it, Temu have it. Also, all the information to these beautiful items that I'm about to show you guys will be in my description box. There will be a link, so use the link to download the Temu app to get $100 coupon bundle, or you can search my code to claim and to shop these beautiful items. So let us get right into it. Alright guys, so the first item I want to show you guys is this. Okay, it's this beautiful baby blue dress, but this is what it's looking like. You know, when we had the review, I always check for the stitching, so let me show you that real quick. So this is it. This is the stitching on the arm. The size is 2XL, and this is the front. This is the length of the dress. So let us try it on real quick. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the back. Some did have a hard time to pull it down, like when it reached the breast part, but then I realized that it has a zip. I'm not even sure what side, because the zip is so neat. I think it's this side. Yeah, wait. Yeah, this side. But yeah, I love it. I'm wearing a bra with mine now, so let me pull you guys out. This is the length of the dress. Yeah, it's cute, it's modest, it's very cutesy. I love it, and I love the color on me. So this is it for the little blue dress. Comment and let me know if you guys like it, and also I want you guys to rate the outfits that I'm about to try on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest, and comment and let me know where would you wear it to. I want to know that. Anyways, moving on to the next item. This is a cute little bag. Is it purple? Oh, you know, we Jamaicans call everything purple, but I think it's lilac or something like that. It's a type of purple. Really cute. Love the stitching on it. The material feels really good. Alright, the zip, and it zips really good. Yeah, love that. That's a bonus. Comes with another little coin purse. I'm just gonna go ahead and attach that. And I'm gonna attach the strap. Oh, I love the two different shade of purple. A matter of fact, it's 3, because this is another shade of purple. So this, and this, all of them just complement each other real good. Yeah, very cute and girly. Love it. And then inside it looks like this. And also I love the fact that the zip is covered. Yeah, this is really cute. Love, love, love it. Guys, remember, download the Temu app using the link in my description box to get $100 coupon bundle, or you can search my code to claim and to shop these beautiful items that I'm showing you guys. Love this color. So it's a t-shirt. So cute. It's a Grow in Grace. And this is a 3XL. The stitching, very neat. So the material feels really good. It's very soft. And let me give you a close-up of the pattern. Love it. It feels good. And I love the length of the sleeve. This is what it looks like when I lift my hand. You know how sometimes you buy some t-shirt and when you lift your hand like down here, so not have enough length, you still see your armpit. None of that. And this is the length of the t-shirt. Nice. Okay, these are cute. So it's a jeans shorts. The waist is stretchy, love that. This is the pattern on it. Some cute little petals. Okay. The stitching is good. I don't know, I always check the stitching. Stitching real nice. Turn it over and the material feels really good. So this is the stitching on the inside. And this is the pocket. The pocket is deep. That's a bonus. And this is 2XL. So let us try it on. This is it. Hopefully my tights now show. But I love it. It's not tight, very roomy. And the waist fits really good. So it sits in my waist really nice. I remember it's a 2X. Yeah, and it's not too tight in my private area. That's a bonus. So yeah. Comment guys, let me know how you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. What is it giving? You guys like it? Talk to me. Oh, this is a 2-piece. Alright, so the bottom. I love this material. It's very soft and nice. So this is it. Again, let us look at the stitching. Neat. And the size is a 1XL. And the top, let me see if the top is the same size. I should think it is the same size, but let me check. Yeah, the top is 1X as well, guys. So this is the top. So this is it. The material is very soft, really comfy. This is the length of the sleeve. Love it. Yeah. I love this. Really nice. I love this one personally because the material feels so good on my skin. Guys, I'm wishing I could have feel it. I don't even know if I can tell. Guys, remember, search my code to shop these beautiful items, and remember to download the Temu app using the link in my description box to get $100 coupon bundle for free. Yeah. So how much you rate it? Talk to me. Ooh, I know what this is. This is a bathrobe. And it comes with a belt. So let us get right into it. And it's black and white. It's elastic at the waist. It has 2 pockets. Love that. I've been wanting a robe for the longest while. And the size is 2XL. I love the fact that they paid attention to the quality of the robe, the material that they use to make the robe. Because you know, sometimes you come out of the shower, you're not ready for take off your robe, you even fall asleep in your robe. The material is good for that. It's very soft and comfy. So that is a bonus. Let me show you the length. I love it. Love it. Love, love, love it. So moving on to the next item. So this is another 2-piece. The size is 2XL. This is the top. Is it me or am I trying some unusual colors? Well, no, normally see me in them color here, but this one is very bright and pretty. Love it. The bottom is very short, so I would definitely wear this one to the beach. I mean, if you purchase it, search my code, guys, search my code. If you purchase it, you can wear it wherever you want to wear it to. But I would definitely wear this to the beach. So let me just tie the side. And the short's really short, guys. May not even go, you know. But yeah, this is it. And if you want to see something more print out, guys, I'm a tights. May have to pull it up. But yeah, I love it. Very cute. The material is very lightweight. It feels like a jersey. You know those jersey type of feeling? But yeah, this is it. Very cute. Love it. You guys rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. What you give it? Right, so this is a t-shirt. It's a New York. It's cute and simple. So let us try it soon come. This is the length of the t-shirt. Very soft. So yeah, this is it. What you guys rate it on a scale of 1 to 10? Oh, so this is a linen jumpsuit. That's what you'd call it? I'm not even sure, but I love the color and I love the material. Anyways, it have 2 pockets on the back and 2 on the front or the side. These cute brown buttons that really complements the color. Let us get right into it. Oh, and it's a 2X. It is 2X, guys. Hopefully it's not too tight because linen material, you know, always a little bit tight. Wait, put it on back way. Okay, it's kind of tight, but it's not too bad. Not too bad. Wait, me probably have to go adjust it. The strap feel. Yeah, this cute. Would I wear it with a white bodysuit? Cause like right here, so it kind of baggy, but in a bad, in a bad. So I would want something that is tighter down there. I love this. I don't know how much I want to agree, so I love it. I definitely wear this to like sip and paint. You know? May get some ideas, you know. I probably need to do a sip and paint with Jason and wear this. Wait, me have it on back way or something? Guys, me have it on back way. What? Yes, my have it on back way. I gotta fix it. But I love this at the front. Is it me or this look better at the front? Me to see if it really back way. It back way if it's true because I saw the pocket them go. Alright, I gotta turn it around and come back. But this is really cute and I love the length of it. If you're seeing something black, guys, it's my tights. Never mind the tights, but yeah, this is the length. So this is how it feel look. Tomato, still look the same, but I love it more when the button there at the front. Oh, this green is so pretty. Guys, it's a sweater. And the material feels really good. And it zips in the front. And this is, let me see the size. From when I see it, I know it's soft. Look at that. Wow. Let us try it. Love, 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 love it. Yeah. And it feels really good inside. What? Don't tell me that it's not cute. I love the fact that it's oversized. I don't love when my sweater them too tight. So, love this. And again, a little 360. Cute. So let us see what this is. You know what? These colors are so beautiful. I don't normally wear them color here. And them look real nice on me. Or me I took me one on. On the comment and let me know because them color here look good. Anyways, this is a two-piece. So the tights and the top. The top is very long. And the material is very stretchy. And this is a 2XL. You can style it. You could probably tie the front and wear the back like this, or you can leave it as it is. But yeah, definitely gonna wear this one to church. But yeah, the sleeve. And you know, anything with bow, love it. Ruffle, bow, whatever it is, any little gathering, love it. But yeah, let us try it on. So this is it. Very modest, very cute, love it. This is the back, the side, so elegant. And this is the length. The material feels really good. What else is it giving? It'll give me church, you know, but it'll give me something else. It'll give me, you know, a busy Monday morning. I forgot the bank, then I have one meeting for go. It'll give me classy and grown. Love it. Love, love, love it. Hopefully when I work at church, I can come show you how I'm looking at it at go church. But yeah. So this is a floral print dress. So I think I don't know how this look on me already because I have the black to it that I got from Temu as well. So this is it. But I just have to get the ready night, guys, because the black one looks really good on me. And red normally give me a little, you know, a little buzz. Anyways, let us get into it. Stitching, as per usual, is very good. The sleeve is elastic. A matter of fact, the entire top is elastic. You can gather it up. So you can adjust it how you like it. The waist as well is elastic. And this is the length. So we're gonna try her on soon come. So it's very cute and classy. And the red looks so good on me. I took off my bra for this one. So you can definitely wear it with your alpha bra. Because what you can do is this part where you adjust, you can like wrap it around the bra and have it you know, guys, as I said, play around with the clothes them and you know, fix them to your body type. You guys know it because I have it in black. And it's a 2XL, guys. I'm not sure if I mentioned that earlier. So these are some bodysuits. 3 of them. So the black, the brown, and the white. Very stretchy. It's a 2XL. 2XL. So you can probably size down. Well, when I try it on, I know we know. Based on how it feel, I feel as if I could size down. Because you know, bodysuit normally like fit, you know, close. All of them are 2XL. I love the fact that this part is not too tiny. If you know, you know. And this is the brown. All of them are the same thing, guys. 2X, very stretchy. So I think I want to try on. Alright, I'm gonna try on the brown one. Yeah, I'm gonna finish put it on, but I'm just showing you how stretchy it is. Okay. So, you can probably size down. I mean, it's perfect. So if you wear a 2X, you can take a 2X. But if you want it to be like, you know, snatcher type of tight, like this, you can take a 1X. But this feels perfect. I love it. But this is it. And you know, you just pin it underneath. Now I'm going to show you that. A little bit of TMI right there. But yeah. It's really nice. And the material is really comfy. Ooh. This is a 2-piece. Ah! I love this. I know this. I know what this is. So this is it. A little close-up of the material. The waist is stretchy. Again, the stitching is neat. It's a 2XL. The foot is big. It's baggy. And it's screaming my name. Guys, I don't know if you know by now, I don't love tight stuff. I don't love when my clothes too tight on me. Especially like pants, shorts, whatever, skirt. I don't love it to be tight. So this is the bottom and this is the top. Top stretchy, but it's not too stretchy. The top is a 2XL as well. When I feel like the arm are gonna give me a warm time. The arm looks so small. Anyways, we'll see. But this is it. Very cute. Alright, I'm gonna try it on and come back. The top can't fit. The top is too tight, the arm part. So I would suggest that you size up. So you take like a, if you are a 2XL, you take a 3X for the top and then the 2X for the bottom. But the pants fits really good. This is it. Love it. Let me show you the full length. Guys, I might see a little bulging because I didn't pin the top underneath. But this is very cute. I wish the top could have fit. Anyways, it would have looked something like this. Or probably could wear it with this. The brown them match or them off. Guys, understand that? It's really comfy. The material is thick and nice. Love it. Anyways, let us move on. Alright, so I think that is it for the outfits. Let us move on to these accessories. Alright, so the first one is this beautiful earring. Ooh, the back. Oh, and then give us some extra back. So this is it. Very cute. Boy. And I like it? Talk to me. Which one would you prefer? Love this one. Really cute. Right. Let's just try it. Oh, so this one, you don't need any knob at the back. So it open and closes like this. Love that. Alright guys, so comment and let me know which one you guys prefer. I prefer this one. I love the cute little petals. These are some ear accessories. I could start off with these. And I know I love scrunchie, especially with a bow. So this one, the brown and the black. Love these, and them are satin, so that is a bonus. Love it. These are some ear ties. So it's 4 of them. Very stretchy. Love that. You know, for the girlies, them will have a whole heap of hair. Like them hair just too big for like put up in a one. You can literally put this around it and then adjust it. And if it feels too tight, you loosen it. This is a genius idea. Love it. And the last thing is a church shoes. How cute. And I love the heel. It's big and it's not too tall. Love that. This is a size 40. I'm gonna try it on and show you. So this is it. I went ahead and put on a black stocking. Fun fact, I've never worn a black stocking before. I bought this one for church. Anyways, it's very cute. I love the suede. It gives it a classy look. It's really comfy. I should have sized down a little bit. It have some space in the back, but can still wear. Very manageable. And overall, it's really cute. This is a size 40. Next time, I'll probably take a size 38.5 or 38. As I said, have a little space in the back, but it's not too bad. I probably should have tightened the strap some more. Yeah, I want to tighten some more, but this is it. Really cute. Okay, beautiful people, so that is it for the try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment in the comment section and let me know what was your favorite. And remember, all the information to these beautiful pieces are in my description box. Use the link to download the Temu app to get $100 coupon bundle, or you could search my code to claim and to shop these beautiful items that I showed you guys. Bye guys.